Who turned the lights out? Oh, that's good video. Hey, when did you get here? One video. I mean, I was gonna eat a picnic and but here there's no food. You don't have to eat food.
You have a sad picnic.
Food. I like my picnic.
Food is always needed at picnic.
Well, I don't eat food at my picnics. I pretend. Yeah.
Wow, your picnics suck. Well, for this we really had not planned.
No?
We're gonna teach you how to cough and say stuff so people don't know what you're doing.
So people don't understand you. Like, if you want to talk in code or secrets,
Yes.
We'll teach you how to do that. We're pretty good. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're really good.
Take hints. Get out a piece of paper, loose leaf, probably 3 or 4 pages, and a pencil to take notes.
Step 1.
Arm up.
You don't want to be
up
coughing
too hard.
germs.
No. You don't want to cough germs. And you can't cover your face completely.
Yeah, you can't go like this.
It's not
and
up here.
It doesn't look real that way.
It's not, hey guys.
Yeah,
no. It's, like that. Like, like you're punching your ear.
Yeah.
See, look.
Punch your ear. Boom. Step 1. Punch your ear. It's great. Okay. Step 2.
Now we're on to the coughing.
Clear your throat so you don't spit to anyone. Swallow, maybe.
Now let's practice. Ready? All together.
Alright, we're good now. Alright. Third step.
Yeah.
Actually cough while talking.
This is tricky.
It's
complicated. There's a car. Nice one.
Oh my god.
Pretty sure it's a cop.
It's a creeper.
Looks like
they're going into the library and the library isn't open. Whoa, that's creepy.
So back to
and now
coughing.
there's a random truck. Do you see that? Just moseying along. Truck, semi, whatever you want to call it. Yes.
When did it get dark out?
I don't know, but I feel like it just got really... And that was me getting it on my head. And now he's slinking away.
So, to demonstrate this step, we're now on step 3, the coughing and talking at the same time.
We're gonna hold
let's
a
first by talking,
conversation.
then coughing. Let's practice coughing first. arm. Sorry. Punch your ear.
Punch your ear. I forgot.
Clear your throat. Let's try the other side. Punch your ear, clear your throat, and cough. See? You try it. Go. No.
That's nice.
No, let's try it again. Go.
Try again.
Go.
Punch the ear.
Other ear. There you go.
Wow.
That
is great technique right there.
Okay, nice one. Yeah. All right, so now we have to add the talking. So let's talk. Hey, what's up?
So I think we should just start with like a simple phrase, like how are you? How are you?
I think we should start with hi. Hi.
Okay.
So
what you're gonna
punch
do?
your ears. Let's do slow motion. Hi.
You kind of want to like exhale as you're saying hi, like hi, like
it'll be like hi.
Like you just ran a marathon and you're trying to talk to someone and your mouth is as dry as the Sahara Desert.
For good practice, you could run a marathon and try talking.
Yeah, you'd be like, what's going on, Jackson? Hey, what's up? I can't talk. Someone give me some water.
Oh, I forgot the first step.
Punch your ear. Don't forget it. Okay.
All right.
Start with a simple phrase.
I'm gonna say
hi.
I'll say, we'll have a one little conversation. I'll say something, she'll respond. Are you ready?
Hey, what's up? Sky man.
See? And that's how it goes. And see, what happens is you could be sitting at a table and just having a conversation and no one will know what you're saying.
They'll just think that you have a really bad coughing problem.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're fine with that, like we are, then you don't really care.
You're good.
Coughing is like life.
It is. So talking and coughing, it's no one will know. No one will know.
It's like life and death.
It really is. You don't cough. Try coughing in. Don't do it. Don't try this at home. Don't.
Are you ready? We're gonna do this just for.
You gotta go backwards. Punch the ear backwards. laughing because I can't stop, so.
Hey!
What's up?
Yeah!
Punch the air. All right.
We punch the air.
Okay, so let's try a whole conversation. We're gonna have a conversation, so you observe. Okay? Observe. Please observe. Okay? Observe. Are you ready? You ready?
Oh yeah.
She's gone. All right. Woo. Woo. Are you ready? Who's going first? You want to go first?
Okay.
Be ready. Okay? Take
Purple unicorns.
what?
That's not purple unicorns.
I don't like unicorns very much.
Great.
I take that back. I love unicorns.
And that was a sample conversation talking about
Everyday conversation.
At least for us.
And now my throat hurts.
Side effects may include frequent inside jokes, dry mouth,
Sore throat,
sore throat,
constant wheezing, swallowing of bugs,
excessive screaming.
and if you cough backwards, you may explode your lung. So beware of that.
Your head might explode also.
But you know, it's
If
the
you
head,
start
so.
hearing the beeping or like a countdown, you should probably like try to decapitate yourself so that you don't die.
It's less painful.
Yeah.
But you won't die. It's just the head. You'll still live.
It's just the head, you know you live.
It's okay.
Brain,
It's all
brains. No one needs brains.
So now that you've had the 3 steps, what's first step again?
Step 1. Punch your ear.
Whichever ear. It's your choice.
If you're lefty, punch your right ear.
Ready?
You're righty, punch your left ear.
You're both?
Oh, what's that word that we
Ooh,
can't remember?
ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous.
Yeah, you know.
Nice.
So that's step 1. Step 2, clear your throat so you don't spit. Okay, ready?
Ah.
Safe? And then, cough and talk. TC's that? It needs to be
Alright,
taught in
that car's
schools. There
leaving.
needs to be at least half a semester. Or
That
one
car's
semester.
leaving.
It is leaving.
Kinda scares me.
I think our coughing scared it away. Oh, it's coming back now. Okay.
Oh, that's not the same car.
Well, I think
It
is.
went that way.
Well, that's his twin right there. This is also a side effect. Biting your
Frequently
friends,
biting your friends.
You know.
Well, I mean, you can also be born with that like me, but, I mean, this can also cause...
So besides the side effects, you can have positive side effects like secret conversations,
Inside jokes.
inside jokes,
Inside jokes, those are freaking awesome.
freaking other people out. So I hope you go out into the real world and use these 3 steps, because I know you will get far in life. Very far.
Secret conversations always rule.
Awkward smile, go.